if you're looking for a job using that stuff like LinkedIn, Indeed, Career Builder, you're applying to jobs online, you know, this is what this is for right here. Everybody know we got these AI tools, Lazy Apply, where you could just push out 1,000 applications. If your resume don't have certain words in it, you're not using certain tools, then you're going to get an automated email if, you know, they're going to be polite enough to send it to you, unless, you know, we're sorry, we decided to go with another candidate. Please reapply, you know, whenever, basically, but you ain't getting this job. So there's no way a recruiter has time to look at your resume in detail. Usually when they look at that resume, they got about 6 seconds, 5 seconds to look, scan it, do it look like a match? No, move to the next one, boom. Then they finally find somebody and they get them in for the interview and they lied on their resume. They're like, man, this person, he don't know nothing about what this job entails, right? He just need a job. That's why he's still looking, right? So what they really want, they want someone to say, yo, my cousin, such and such, she's looking for a job, right? Or they want someone to say, hey, listen, I know somebody I used to work with, a colleague at my old company, and they're looking for a job, right? That's easy. So follow up professionally. If that channel don't work, send them a direct message on LinkedIn, find an email, go through the email channel, right? Networking is a major direct access to getting the job you want.